A dictionary is a list of words arranged alphabetically, and for each word you can see definition, the meaning or meanings of the word, often with example sentences. Part of speech, whether the word is a noun, verb, adjective, etc. Correct spelling, the exact spelling and any possible alternatives. Pronunciation, how to say the word. Etymology, the origin of the word. Did it come from Latin, for example? Here is a simple example of a dictionary entry for the noun dog. Dog, noun, a domesticated, meal-eating animal that usually has a long snout, excellent sense of smell, and a barking or howling voice. When you want to know what a word means, you look in a dictionary.